Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our Lone Star double flat door today. So this is our Lone Star new door. It's September 2019. This is, I don't even think it's hit our website yet, but awesome door. This has a lot of different things on it going for it. So it's got straight bars, it's got some scroll work, it's got some knuckles, and this door is our first door that comes standard with a screen. So right off the bat, you got a screen on this door. You don't have to add it. We're gonna test it out, see how it is, and see if people like it with the screen and go from there. Now, this door does not have a kick plate, which means the glass goes all the way down. You can definitely add a kick plate on a custom order if you like. This is an oil rub bronze door. This has rain glass in it, and it also has a screen which is magnetic, which I'll show you how it comes off. But awesome door, nice little star in the middle of it. I think we're gonna do well with this door. Hope you guys like this. I'm gonna flip this around and show you guys what the other side looks like. But mainly, look how the glass, the texture of the glass kind of gets hidden from the screen. I wanted to make sure you guys see that. But know that the glass comes off on winter days, and you don't have to put them in, put it in the closet, show off the glass. Summertime, when you actually need the screens, put them back on, and you'll have, whenever you need it, you can use it. Flip this around, show you guys the backside. Okay, so we're on the backside of the Lone Star. Let me show you guys how the glass opens. Untwist the knobs, flick them over. Glass opens up. All right, this makes it easy to clean the scroll work, clean the glass. And also on doors like this that have the screen, I'm gonna show you guys how the screen comes off. Well, I should probably open the door, that'll be easier. Glass opens up, put that in the closet when you don't need it, or if you wanna clean the door, and they're all held on by these little magnets that stay on, and you stick the screen back on. I mean, I already love this door actually. Show you guys also this thing. I already talked about the kick plate. This is an oil rub bronze. This is a rain glass. Definitely different colors, different glass types are available. Different colors are available. I think I'm a little excited about this door. This is going to be a really nice door. People are going to love this thing. Yeah, and remember, all of our doors have roller catches. Okay. So it saves your lock. Also, you can add the metal handles down here if you like, the big ones, and put a deadbolt on top if you need to. And then we have little cancellation plates for the inside of the boreholes if needed. Or if you want to do the thumb locks, you're more than welcome to do that. Also, you can do both kind of lock systems on all of our doors. Everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed our showcase on our Lone Star double flat door today. If you guys have any questions, please contact us at info@pinkysirondoors.com. That's info at PINKYS irondoors.com. Or you can call us, it's 844-843-6677. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.